Most busy professionals are excited about AI, but quietly, many of them are using AI in ways that actually slow them down. Not because they're bad at technology, and not because AI is overhyped, but because a few small mistakes keep repeating, again and again. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 AI mistakes busy professionals are making right now, and how to avoid them without learning tools, coding, or technical jargon. If AI feels confusing, overwhelming, or underwhelming to you, this video is for you. These mistakes don't come from lack of intelligence, they come from lack of clarity. By the end of this video, you'll know what actually matters when using AI at work and where AI can quietly save you time instead of adding more noise. The first mistake is treating AI like a search engine. Many professionals open ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini and type one short question, something like, "What is project management?" And when the answer feels generic or shallow, they conclude that AI is overrated. But AI doesn't work like Google. AI works best when you give it context, your role, your goal, your constraints. For example, instead of asking, "Write an email," you get much better results by saying, "I'm a project manager writing an update to a client." The tone should be calm and professional. Summarize these 3 points clearly. When AI disappoints, it's usually not because the model is weak, it's because the input was thin. The second mistake is tool overload. Many professionals install 5 AI tools in 1 week. A writing tool, a meeting tool, a note-taking tool, a research tool. And then they stop using all of them. Not because the tools are bad, but because habits never formed. AI works best when you use one tool for one job consistently. One place for writing drafts, one place for summarizing meetings. One simple workflow beats 5 powerful tools you forget exist. The third mistake is expecting AI to think for you. AI is not a replacement for judgment. It's not a replacement for experience. AI is best at first drafts, structure, brainstorming. The strongest professionals don't outsource thinking to AI. They use AI to speed up thinking. They let AI handle the rough version, and then they refine it with human judgment. AI works best with you, not instead of you. The fourth mistake is waiting. Many professionals say, "I'll use AI once I understand it better." But AI is not learned by studying, it's learned by using. You don't need to understand how AI works internally. You need to understand where it saves you time. Start small. Rewrite one email, summarize one meeting. Understanding follows usage, not the other way around. The fifth mistake is using AI without a purpose. If you don't know what problem AI is solving for you, it becomes another distraction. AI works best when tied to a clear job. For example, writing faster, summarizing meetings, organizing ideas, or preparing presentations. If AI adds complexity, step back. AI should remove friction, not add more steps to your day. None of these mistakes are about intelligence. They're about approach. The people who get real value from AI aren't chasing every new tool. They're using AI with intention, inside real work, real workflows, and real decisions. If you're a busy professional trying to use AI without the hype, AgenticWave is for you. I break down what actually matters, simply, calmly, and practically. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead without feeling overwhelmed.